Hello everyone, and guess what? It's my special day. Ah, yes, today's dog's special day. Yeah. Alright, it's time for a TV event. Alright then. Okay. Let's see what the voice trumpet is going to sing. Oh, let's find out. Bravo! Yeah, that was fun. Yeah. Uh-oh. That's really bad. Oh, hi there. Hi there again. It's me, Dog. So, look at this. It's a flood. Yeah, flooding is really bad. So, do you know what today's weather is? Yes, it's raining. So, you can see those raindrops. And you can see it. So the sun's going to be out, so I'm going to shine those clouds away very soon. So, I'll tell you what. You see it? You see it? Yes. You see it, guys? Yes, I can see it. And look. Can you tell me what color the clouds are really badly? Yes. It's gray. So this gray is a color. So this gray cloud is called a thunderstorm. Yeah, thunderstorm means they get lightning. Yeah, lightning is very bad, so it makes the boom sound. See it? So as you all know, if you guys are gonna get wet during rain, you have to stay inside. So you should not go play outside. So see it? The house is gonna get wet, and you can see the blue sky over there. So as you know wondered if it's raining. So the reason why it's raining because it's going to be a thunderstorm. So this thunderstorm seems to be really bad. So let's see if the rain starts. All right, it's raining, so I better go inside. Sheesh, it's raining outside, so, oh, hey, white dog. Oh, hey, dog. I didn't even see you there, so, I can't believe it's raining today. Yeah, so, I've been wet. Yeah, wet is really bad, so, let me know if the rain's gonna stop, so, let's watch some TV. Okay.